Hotel Breakers Express. I'm not sure what it's called anymore. It used to be the Breakers Express, but I'm not 100% sure what they call it anymore. But we are going to be checking out the Wild Mouse track, so stay tuned. Yeah, wow, okay.
Wow.
Yeah, you can see a good amount.
You see the little walk-ups?
Yeah.
Car gets stuck.
And then the actual track pieces over there. There's a good amount of track over here, everybody.
A lot of it.
Oh yeah. So how's everybody feeling about this? Are we excited about a new boardwalk and a Wild Mouse, or how are we feeling? How are you feeling about the Wild Mouse?
Well, we know the colors.
Yeah, are you interested in the colors?
I'm interested in the colors. I'm really not too keen on a Wild Mouse ride, but I'm gonna ride it.
We'll see how it goes.
Oh, that's hard! We're getting to a roller coaster.
Yeah, so that's our update from the boardwalk today.
Yep.
We showed you some track from Breakers Express. I don't know if that's what it's called anymore. But we also showed you the foundations and what's going on with the hotel, not the hotel, the restaurant bar that's going to be on the boardwalk there.
Pavilion.
Yeah, we're getting pretty excited for it. We weren't, generally enthused with the announcement, but for what it is, we're excited. We're going to make the most of it, and next year we might have to go grab a drink on the boardwalk over there and maybe try that spinning Wild Mouse, even though we're not fans of spinning rides.
Gotta get that credit.
Yeah, gotta grab that credit. I am on the back side of Boardwalk now, and over here on the beach, we're going to try to get a sneak peek here. So to me, it looks like they're starting to lay the foundations, or it's already laid in there. So that's pretty cool. Stay tuned, because we'll be checking for the progress on that too throughout Halloween weekends. We will be here a bunch of weekends throughout October. So if you see us, say hi. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and check out this wonderful view before I get going.